allows the city to really reinvest in the community, and that math works out when you only have to pay for 25,000 people, but you collect taxes from about 100.
Cool.
They can do some economic incentives. If you want a business and you're growing it, they can help pay for some of that growth.
So what companies are now part of Colorado Outdoors in this community, and what types of companies are you looking to recruit?
Good question. I'll answer the first one, the second one first. Mostly it's outdoor industry businesses looking to expand and grow, but ultimately it's good businesses that want to be good community members. I think that the wins we've had, so far, we've got our companies here, Able, Ross Reels, and Airflow, and we've got about 120 employees company-wide.
Yep.
Colorado, your company that just moved in, they've got about 60 and they're growing pretty rapidly. We think they'll get to 70 or 80 pretty quick. And then a company called Wedge Brands. They're a holding company that makes Excel wetsuits.
Yeah.
11-8 apparel, and then a few others in the ski and snow sports industry. So a pretty wide range.
And then there's my mom was asking me, like, where's the airport? And it's like, it's right here. So you have logistics, shipping, international e-commerce can happen right out of here. Then you have a lot of retail connections so the community can share.
Yeah, good question. We've got 1 gig of fiber too. So these companies, they can run their business almost anywhere in the world now.
Yeah.
So why not come to a community with great internet that's beautiful?
I actually spent probably $500 in gas and drove all around Colorado, and then as soon as I learned that Elevate was here, and I have so many opportunities within the hub that you're developing here, and just a nice community that's not blown out.
Agree. And I think what you're finding is now, people ask themselves, where am I going to enjoy my life?
Yeah.
And then I'll figure out a way to go make it work there. And it just so happens that we have the infrastructure of a big city.
Yeah.
But we're a small city.
Yeah.
And so that helps guys like you and I who are growing and who are entrepreneurs.
Yeah, what's nice is you have all the retail that you need. Like, I have to do 50 trips to Home Depot, and that's right there. And then if I want to just get out of town and go camping, I can go camping 20 minutes from downtown.
15 maybe even. And if you really need something, 2 days on Amazon, it's on your front door.
Yeah. So. Hey, guys from Amazon.
Appreciate it, yeah. Amazon's been great. I will tell you that our shipping and logistics are excellent here because we're in kind of a high desert, which means weather patterns are typically a little bit more mild in the winter.
Yeah.
And we've got a UPS and FedEx hub, so smaller packages are very efficient. UPS ground gets to Denver in 1 day, typically overnight.
Yeah.
So we don't have an issue with logistics here.
Yeah. What do you see kind of coming next in the next 5 years of growth here and the vision coming together?
So I see a lot of expansion in our strategy, our thesis, which is that outdoor industry brands want to connect to the Rocky Mountain region, the eastern side of Colorado to the western side.
Yeah.
Population is less dense, cost of living is cheaper.
Less traffic.
And ultimately the quality of life is just much higher.
Yeah.
And so I see that accelerating. And I think this is a significant place for not only young families, but folks who may want to retire as well.
Yeah.
Because you've got a playground in your backyard.
Yeah, there's amazing facilities. The hospitals are great here too.
Hospitals are excellent. We have one of the best rural hospitals in America.
Yeah, I heard that.
6 consecutive years, it's been ranked as one of the top. And we're really proud of that because that's a cornerstone of a community as a hospital. But also, I think these businesses really need infrastructure that we've got, and we've got all of it here.
Cool. So how do people connect up, and what do you guys provide? You have a tour of the facility here? People could come in and do a familiarization trip?
Yeah,
what are the sequence of steps to get involved?
Typically the sequence of events is we get in touch with you get in touch with us via email. Colleen Aller is our director of recruiting. Colleen's awesome. She'll come to you, or we can fly you out here. We'll give you a tour of the community, kind of a recruitment tour, show you of all the great amenities, talk about the project, maybe meet the folks that bring their families or their coworkers, and then we just have a dialogue and see if what we're providing can solve something for your business.
And it sounds like you have everything from property to sale where people can design and develop their campus for their company, all the way to basically 2-person startup.
100%. We've got properties you can lease that are ready to go. We'll do a what's called a build-to-suit. So if you have a particular design, we'll build it for you and lease it back. Or in the case of Colorado Yurt, you can buy a piece of land and we'll help you build, your own building.
Very cool. All right, so anything else? What's coming up next?
So the next big project's the Wedge Branch projects. That's a big 80,000 square foot distribution center, and then the Marriott Hotel. So we got a new Marriott coming in on the north side of the project. It'd be great to have a new hotel in the community that when you come in town to see us, you have an awesome place to stay right on the river. So.
Yeah, that's super cool. That's David Dragoo with Colorado Outdoors, and thanks so much for my new fishing reel.
Yeah, man, appreciate it. It's awesome. It's hot off the press, right? Probably just made today. So.
Yeah, no, it's a really cool production facility inside, and I really appreciate being part of your guys' production today and in meeting so many innovators.
Yeah, thanks, Tim. I appreciate you having me on, man.